We have come a long way with technology, but has the time come where projectors can overtake the TVs? Well, the answer is kind of hard to give. But in my opinion, we are not there yet, even though people watch less and less TV, as everyone is on their phones, laptops, PCs, etc. Projectors have evolved a lot, but still they face the same old problem, which is focusing and noise. I'll come to this point later. I have today a projector from Crenova, which I decided to give it a try and see how it performs. From the quality point, I have to say that the image is pretty sharp and accurate. Of course, it could be better, but also for 150 euros, it's pretty on point. Depending on the wall type, sometimes it's hard to have a perfect focus. I'm just here testing it, so I use the chair to play with. Of course, if I wanted, I could make the image bigger as it is. It's just I don't have enough wall. The image I used from it was directly coming from my laptop through an HDMI port. I put here a 4K video and it runs without problems. But the frame rate seems a bit low. As on PC it runs smooth at 60 frames per second, but on projector it feels like it's stuck at 30 frames. Of course, for watching videos or even a movie, it's more than enough, as movies normally are at 25 frames and well, videos have all kind of different frames. It also has a built-in speaker. The sound playing right now is coming through its own speakers and not through the laptop speakers. They are okay for a presentation or for watching a video, but for watching a movie I will definitely upgrade to some real speakers. On the back it has two HDMIs and two USB ports, which you can use USB sticks to play videos or pictures or even music, which is good that it has. One thing that I would love to make is plugging my phone to it and have some sort of mirror share to it. Does anyone know if that is possible to do with a projector? If so, let me know down below in the comments. Coming to the noise part, well, the projector makes quite a lot of noise. Because the fans spin to keep it cool, but if you're watching a video or a movie, that will be very annoying, where on TVs we don't have this problem. For the moment, projectors still are at the point of a presentation through a PowerPoint or to show a video in the school, but we are going into the right direction, as in the future projectors are going to gain more and more market share, because with a projector you have a bit more choices as a TV when it comes to size and how or where to use it. This was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave that big like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, till the next one.